If you've ever woken up feeling heavy, bloated, or strangely tired even before your day begins, you're not imagining it. Your digestive system speaks long before your brain does. It whispers through morning nausea, it nudges you with sluggishness, and sometimes it screams with cramps, constipation, or unpredictable bathroom trips. And most people ignore these signals because they assume digestion is simply digestion. You eat, the food breaks down, and that's the end of the story. But your gut is far more delicate, more intelligent, and more influential than you think. Today, I want to show you something surprisingly simple, something that takes just 7 seconds a day, and how it can transform the way your digestive system behaves, not in a week, not in a month, but today. Yet to understand why these 7 seconds matter, you need to understand the world inside you first. Your gut is not a tube, it's a command center. It houses over 100 trillion microorganisms, more cells than your entire body combined, and its own independent nervous system. It produces 90% of your serotonin, a huge part of your dopamine, and directly influences your energy levels, your immune system, your sleep, and even your mood. When digestion slows, your whole life slows. When it becomes inflamed, your thinking becomes foggy. When it becomes sluggish, your confidence drops. That heaviness you feel after meals? That's not normal. That sharp pain that feels like a twist inside your abdomen? Not normal. That bloated balloon feeling that makes you loosen your waistband? Also not normal. Is your gut begging for attention? So what is the 7-second method? It starts with activating something called the vagus nerve, the long wandering nerve that runs from your brainstem down through your digestive tract. Think of it as the electricity that powers your stomach. When this nerve is activated, digestion speeds up, food breaks down more efficiently. Gas and bloating decrease, your stomach empties faster, and your intestines become more coordinated. But when the vagus nerve is weak, and it becomes weak from stress, bad sleep, processed foods, and a sedentary lifestyle, digestion becomes slow, chaotic, or painful. The 7-second trick turns this nerve back on. And the trick is surprisingly simple. Deep diaphragmatic breathing, done intentionally for only 7 seconds. But don't mistake this for meditation, yoga, or a relaxation exercise. What you're really doing is sending oxygen into your lower abdomen, physically stimulating the nerve endings wrapped around your digestive organs. In those 7 seconds, you're waking up the digestive engine that may have been idle for years. Here's how the 7-second activation works. You inhale for 4 seconds, letting your belly expand like a balloon while keeping your shoulders still. You hold for 1 second, allowing pressure to build around your organs. Then you exhale slowly for 2 seconds, letting your abdomen fall. This entire cycle is 7 seconds. And if you repeat it 5 times, you've spent only 35 seconds total, less than it takes to unlock your phone, yet you've sent a direct signal to your gut to wake up and do its job correctly. People who try this often report an immediate sensation, a soft warmth across the stomach, a gentle release of pressure, or even audible gurgles, the sound of their digestive tract turning back on. These are not coincidences. They're physical proof that your digestive system is responding. Now, the reason this technique works so fast is because your gut is reactive, not passive. It listens to tension, to stress, to hormones, to oxygen, and most importantly to the vagus nerve. When you breathe shallowly, which most adults do, your stomach remains tense. Food sits longer. Acids splash where they shouldn't. Gas builds. But with deep diaphragmatic breathing, your stomach relaxes. Your small intestine receives more blood flow, and your gastrointestinal muscles begin to contract in healthy waves again. But here's the part most people don't know. This 7-second activation becomes dramatically more effective when paired with simple morning habits. Imagine this sequence. You wake up, sit at the edge of your bed, place 1 hand on your belly, and perform 3 rounds of the 7-second breath. That's 21 seconds. Then you drink a glass of warm water, not cold, not room temperature. but warm, because warmth relaxes your intestinal lining and stimulates movement. Within minutes, your gut begins its natural cleansing wave, a movement called the migrating motor complex. Most people never activate it properly, which is why they struggle with constipation or incomplete bowel movements. If you add a source of natural fiber, just a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or even a kiwi, digestion becomes smoother throughout the day. But even without the fiber, even without the water, even without the diet change, the 7-second activation still improves gut function. And this matters because your digestive system is responsible for so much more than breaking down food. A well-activated gut means clearer thinking. It means fewer headaches. It means steadier moods. It means stronger immunity. Around 70% of your immune cells sit inside your gut lining. When your digestion stagnates, inflammation rises, and your immune system becomes confused, overreactive, or, worse, suppressed. That's why people with poor digestion catch colds easily, feel drained, or struggle to focus. I want you to imagine something. Imagine waking up without that tight knot under your ribs. Imagine finishing a meal without feeling distended or uncomfortable. Imagine having predictable, smooth digestion instead of guessing how your stomach will behave today. All of that begins with something as small as 7 seconds. And over time, this 7-second activation becomes more than a physical trick. It becomes a reset, a grounding mechanism, a way to interrupt stress before it reaches your gut. People who practice this daily often notice they handle anxiety better. They sleep more deeply. They feel lighter after eating. They experience fewer cravings and more stable energy. Your gut wants to heal. It wants to work. It wants to support you. It just needs a direct signal, a moment of activation, a pathway to restart the communication between your brain and your digestive tract. 7 seconds is enough. Because your body is not broken. It is simply waiting for you to give it permission to function the way it was designed to. If you're watching this and you feel bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable, take one deep breath with me right now, slow, intentional from the belly. Feel the expansion. Feel the release. That's your digestive system waking up. That's your body thanking you. And that's your first step towards supercharging your digestion in just 7 seconds a day.